Factorize the following, still on our revision. This is question number 5 of exercise 11. You are given this a cubed, b cubed, minus 1 over 8. Still using the difference of what? 2 cubes. The first term must be to the exponent of 3, the last term to the exponent of 3 again. So if you check, the 2 are raised to the exponent of 3. So we can use our laws of exponents that xy to the exponent of n is taken from x to the exponent of n, y to the exponent of n, as long as we have got the same exponent. So meaning to say we can rewrite this ab to the exponent of 3 as ab to the exponent of 3. Everything raised to the exponent of what? Of 3. All right. What about the minus this 1 over 8? 1 over 8, can it be written as a number to the exponent of 3? Yes, we can have that one, 1 over 2 to the exponent of what? Of 3. Or simply, on your calculator, determine the cube root of what? 1 over 8, like this. And what is the cube root? It is 1 over 2. So meaning to say 1 over 2 when raised to the exponent of 3 is going to give us 1 over 8. So I can rewrite this as 1 over 2 raised to the exponent of 3. Guys, at this point, or at this point that we are having, we are back to exactly what we have been working with. The difference of 2 cubes identity. What is your first term? We indicate that this is our first, and what is our last term? Our last term, 1 over 2. O raised to the exponent of 3. So first term to the exponent of 3 minus the last term to the exponent of 3 can be written or can be rewritten in this manner, in a factorized manner. So what is it that you must have? First minus the last term. So what is our first term? AB. So it's AB minus the last term. What is your last term? 1 over 2. So that's AB minus 1 over 2. Okay? We move on into the bracket of what? X squared, which is the first term squared. What is your first term? AB. So it's first term squared. Take note. You must square it. So squaring this, it means A and B will be raised to the exponent of what? Of 2. So it's A squared, B squared. So we have got our first term squared plus first and last, the product of the first and last term, the product of the first and the last. So our first term is AB times the last term is 1 over 2. So if I multiply this, I'm going to have what? 1 over 2 AB. All right, this is same as over 1, so it's just AB over 2. So it's same as half of what? Half of AB. So that is the product of the first and last term. So this is what we have. Do not forget the last term squared. So you're going to have plus the last term squared. What is our last term? 1 over 2. So it's 1 over 2 squared. 1 to the exponent of 2, that is 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 times 2, which is what? Which is a 4. So it was going to give us 1 over 4 at the end. So this is it. You're done. You have factorized. This is the concept. So as we can see, guys, it's just a direct concept. Do as many questions as you can. As many questions as you can.